Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to have a look at a very interesting project called as Lynx Hub. Lynx Hub, in very simple words, allows you to run a lot of AI tools from one unified console. And that is the sole purpose of this project. It offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to streamline your AI workflows and enhance your experience. It is quite modular in terms of architecture, as it allows you to run third-party software to create and publish your own artifacts. Modules can add new AI web interfaces or web UIs to the app, fully customizable by the developer. So if you're a developer and you have a tool, you can simply go to the Lynx Hub and then add your module there. You can install, update, delete, auto update from single console. Lot of tools, as you can see on your screen. There is a bit of a screenshot where we have comfy UI for images, stable diffusion, and then you can have text generation web UI, Ubabuka, or you have ST4s and lot of other tools which you can use. Also, there are a lot of customization you can make with the help of something called as arguments manager, where you can have the arguments to list, add, remove, and edit lot of things like drop down, checkbox, and that sort of stuff. So in simple words, there are two objectives. First is to make it modular so that you can add different software as modules. Secondly, to make it as customizable as possible. And then you can also check out the developer's information, installation, and update status from single UI, and customization is at the core of this project. So that's a very quick introduction. Let's try to get this thing installed. It is available for various platforms, but I'm going to install it on Ubuntu. Installation is fairly straightforward, and you will see shortly. I will also show you how can you do it on other platforms. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to Master Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. So this is my Ubuntu system where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04, and I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy Mass Compute. Now first up, what we need to do, we need to create a virtual environment. This is not mandatory, but I would highly suggest, if you don't want to do it, make sure you have this Python version installed with this Python 3.10.11. Let's wait for it. That is done. You see that now my virtual environment is activated. Go back to the GitHub page of this Lynx Hub, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Scroll up and just click on these releases here. You will be presented with this screen. Let me make it a bit smaller so that you will see what is happening here. Scroll down, and there are assets. In this you have the assets for a lot of operating systems such as Linux, ARM, Linux, Debian, which is the package. We will be using dpkg or debian package manager to install, and then few others. Okay, so so what we need to do, because I'm using Debian on AMD or x86 architecture, so I'm just going to right click here, and I'm just going to say save link as. You can also use wget if you like, but I'm just going to go with this one, and I'm just going to put it in my home directory. It's not huge. You can see that the size is just under 100 MB. That should already be done. Let's go back to the terminal, and if I do ls-ltr, it should show me on my system. That is good. Let's quickly make it executable, and that is also done. And now in order to install it, you need to run this package manager, which is dpkg-i. So let me run it. It is going to unpack and install it on your local system. So let's wait for it. And that's it. Installation is already done. And now in order to access it, all you need to do is to just click on applications on the bottom left, and then simply type here Lynx Hub and click on it. it is going to start it on your local system. You see it is checking all the prerequisite. Git is there. It is checking Python availability. It should be in the path. If not, it will error out and we would need to include it in the path. And you can see that all of it is now working. Git is there, Python, A module and all that stuff. Just click on launch Lynx Hub and it is going to launch it locally. First time it takes slightly bit of a time, but then you see that it is there where you can access anything you like. So there is to it for the installation. You can install Comfy UI, Stable Diffusion, ST4. I have most of them already, so let me see if there is any simple one which I could quickly install. There is a TTS generation which is quite good. This is all talk LTS. We have done all of them. Maybe I'll just go with this Stable Diffusion. So I'm just going to click on this download. And then it is asking you that, okay, this is going to download it from here and saving it here. Just click on install and then let's wait for it. And it is going to install it fairly quickly. It's already done. Let's click on start. And that speed of course depends upon your local system. And if you have used Pinokio, it seems like Pinokio. And it is installing and everything in this isolated environment for you. So let's wait for it. And while that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page. It is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures output according to the shape of your query, and I will drop the link to its website in video's description. Okay, let's go back to see what is happening. It is going to take a bit of a time because this is all now dependent upon how big that package is. It is still installing that Stable Diffusion web UI, and as it comes with a default model, so it is also downloading the model, and that is the beauty of it. You don't have to worry about all the prerequisites, all the requirements. It does everything for you with a single click. And after downloading the model, there you go. We have our Stable Diffusion checkpoint where you can download this one, and then you can just simply say a rainbow or whatever you like. And then it already have selected that sampling method. Just click on generate here. It is going to generate the image for you on the right hand side. And then you see that there is also this red box which you can just click to terminate this process from here. And all this speed and everything depends upon your own local system. And there we have our diffusion process, which is, I believe, already has done. And you can just select different stuff, sampler and that sort of stuff to use it. But you see that how good that looks, where you can simply go back to the Lynx Hub. You can close it from here. You can switch to the terminal if you like. So if I click here, it is going to show me what is happening on the terminal. Switch to the browser view. Very nice. And then you can simply click here to terminate this process. So I'm just going to terminate it. And you are back to your screen. So it looks really cool to me. And as it's a new project, I'm sure that this screen is going to get populated very soon. So let me know what are your thoughts on this tool. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Play around with it. Looks like a good tool to me. Another option to run these models from a single unified hub. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.